Elon Musk's SpaceX delivered its first earnings report since going public in mid-June. The stock price rose above $200 shortly after the company's IPO, but is now trading below its IPO price. So let's bring in Wall Street Journal reporter Becky Peterson for more on this. So Becky, let's talk about SpaceX. What did its earnings reveal today?
It was a pretty good report for SpaceX. It was their first ever as a public company, and their revenue was up 92% for the quarter to almost $8 billion. Now, that's a lot of revenue gains in one quarter, but they also lost $541 million. So they're spending a ton of money right now.
So SpaceX shares, they've slumped since its blockbuster IPO. So what is the outlook for it?
The shares have been up and down. The stock really shot up right after the IPO, and it's since lost about half of its value. And we saw, even though it gained some, even though the price went up today ahead of the earnings, it lost most of those gains after the earnings report came out. A lot of Elon Musk's investors are just looking for a little bit of hope, a little bit of inspiration. It's hard to say how the stock is going to perform in the near term, but we do know that people are going to be able to are going to be able to sell insider shares this week, which is going to probably add to some of that volatility. And if it's anything like Tesla, Musk will be able to just say the word and get people excited again.
Yeah, and did AI impact the earnings at all?
They're spending so much money on AI right now. And that was a big portion of their CapEx expenditures that were disclosed. So they spent $18.4 billion building out new things this quarter. A lot of that is AI data centers. And as we saw with Google and Tesla in their earnings this quarter, Wall Street didn't really like how much money was being spent.
All right, Becky Peterson. Becky, thank you.
Thank you.